How to order food from McDonald's app. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talk. To order food from McDonald's app, open your McDonald's app. On the bottom left side of your screen, you can see order icon. Click on that. Now on top of your screen, you can see location. From here, you can select any McDonald's store that you want to order your food from. So select any store and click on order here. Now scroll down to menu. Select any type of food that you want. Here you can see all the options from drinks to burger. I'll be opening this one, chicken and fish. So select any burger that you want. Here I'll be selecting this one. You can also select the number of burgers that you want. To add more burgers, click on this plus icon. You can also customize your burger ingredients by clicking here. You can see all the options that you can add on your burger. To add more ingredients, click on any ingredient that you want to add and then select the number of items that you want to add. After customizing the ingredients, click on save icon. To order your burger meal, click on make it a meal icon located on bottom left corner of the screen. Now select the size of meal that you want, then click on next. Then select any option between fries and garden salad and then click on next. Now select any drink that you want. Now after selecting all the food that you want, click on add to bag icon. Now on the bottom of your screen, you can see this icon. Click on that. Now this will show all the foods that you have selected. So click on choose payment icon located on bottom right corner of your screen. Now if you have already added your payment details, click on place order icon. Or else select on payment method located above place order icon. And then click on add payment method. Due to some security reasons, you can't see this page, but on your screen you will have a page to add your card details. Then simply fill your payment details and click on save. So after adding your card details, simply click on place order. By doing this, you will be successfully able to place order on McDonald's app. So you can simply go to the store that you have selected and collect that order from there. When you reach the store, you can click on I am already here icon. Else you can show this screen to the staff over there. This is how you place order from McDonald's app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.